Welcome to Achievers Box. I start today's session with the amazing thought wake up with determination, go to bed with satisfaction. Today we are going to see the father of automobile industry, Henry Ford. Ford was born on 30th July 1863 on his family's farm in Michigan. His parents, William Ford and Mary Ford. He was bright and curious as a child. When Ford was 13 years old, his father gifted him a pocket watch. Immediately, he dismantled and reassembled. Friends and neighbors were impressed by seeing that. At his teenage, father told him to look after his farm work, but he was unsatisfied with farm work. So, Ford left the home at the age of 16 and joined as an apprentice in a shipbuilding company. There, he operated and serviced steam engines skillfully. In 1888, Ford married Clara La Bryant. This couple had only one son, Edsel. Ford was hired as a chief engineer in Thomas Edison Company. In 1896, he constructed first model car with a steam engine. It was named as quadricycle. It had four wheels, which are fixed with a cycle top, two driving speeds, no reverse, no brake, and a doorbell button as a horn, and it could reach only 20 miles per hour. Henry Ford tried to take the quadricycle out of the shed, but it was not able to take it out because it was too wide. But he was very eager to drive that car, so he took an axe and broke the brick wall and took that quadricycle outside. Then he got the acceptance from the authorities to drive that car. This was only to be considered as a first license. This invention became one of the most success in American business industry. In the same year, he met Thomas Alva Edison and discussed about his automobile plans with him. The lighting genius encouraged Ford to build a second better model car. With his encouragement, he built second and third model car by using petrol. Then Ford resigned his job from Edison Company and started to do the car business full time. After a few trials for building cars, he established the Ford Motor Company in 1903. Ford successfully introduced Model T car. This was the first car to be cheap and best for most Americans. Especially the Ford's car are simple to drive, inexpensive, lightweight and cheap to repair also. One of the special inventions of Ford was assembly line. An assembly line is a manufacturing process of the cars in which the parts of the car moving on a conveyor joined in a sequence automatically until the final assembly is produced. It helps for mass production of the cars. By using his innovation, a car can be produced within 35 minutes. Before assembly line invention, only 82,000 cars produced per year. But after this innovation, 1,89,000 cars could be produced. In 1927, Ford and his son Edsel introduced another successful car, the Model A. In Ford's company, working wages are more, but working hours are less because Ford wanted to keep his workers always be happy. Ford was forced to retire from his active work in 1945. He died on 7th April 1947 of stroke. I conclude this session with Ford's beautiful thoughts. Man minus the machine is a slave. Man plus the machine is a free man. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. I hope you all understood about Henry Ford. Thank you.